What's up guys, look at me kitty kitty, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I know that I didn't upload yesterday for the new update because yesterday was Thursday. I just didn't have the time to yesterday. School is already started, my life is crazy and everything, but that doesn't matter. So anyways guys, I just want to say I'm going to be doing a daily thing from now on. And basically that daily thing is going to be like a subscriber shout out or something like that. Or, Instagram shadow. You guys know what I mean. So, anyways, I'm going to be posting something on Instagram, and it's going to be a question, and first one to answer it and get it correctly will get a shout out. And I'm going to be doing daily shout outs, and this shout out, no, I'm just going to be doing random shout outs, but it's for the people who made this art over here. Well, not everyone because most of these are made by me. Alright, just these three. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna start giving out shout out. So first shout out goes to a really, really wonderful person, Black Rose. They are amazing. Alright. This is them right here. Please go give them some loving. Alright, they're really nice. Alright. And yeah, that's it. So that's a subscriber shout out for today, or a shout out for today. But I'm just going to show you this art that someone made. So this art I love really much. It's a Demogorgon from Stranger Things. Alright. And when this person had it on trade, I flipped out. Alright. I love, absolutely love Stranger Things. So I got that. And then I made this beautiful art on my other account. It's so beautiful, I know. And then I made this account. On this account, this art, whoa, has 12 likes. Since when? And this one now has 11 likes because I liked it myself. I always like all my stuff, so yeah. And I know this isn't that good, but I tried. It's supposed to be a magenta long spike and an orange long spike, and then a really nice person, Autumn 881. She made this for me. She's really nice, and apparently she unbuddied me, excused me. You unbuddied me, but whatever. That doesn't matter. So, anyways, um, yeah, we're just going to continue. And something happened just like I did last time. Alright, guys, sorry for that thing, for that little thing over there. My computer spazzed out or something. But anyways, guys, let's get to the updates. So, first of all, Bounce House. Oh yeah, this I already know about. Wait, what about the update on Thursday? Was there no update on Thursday? That's not fair. There was no update on Thursday, and then I just made this video for no reason, but that is okay. It's still gonna be a video. But anyways, since we don't really have much to do, I am now going to be going and doing some training, I guess. And so I was playing Animal Jam, and oh no, so I stopped playing Animal Jam for a while because school started and whatever. And then I go to play Animal Jam, right? And so I go on, right, and I go on my animals, and my headdress and my black long is gone. Even on my look at my kitty cat account, it's gone. I'm just like, excuse me? How is this gone? Cause it's not even here. Alright, see, it's not on here. My head isn't there. Let's see if my black long spiked collar is here. My blackout is here. And that's it. My items are gone. But I'm a real bad closings. But anyways, that doesn't really matter. I want to become less rare. I don't really like being a rare jammer. I don't know why. It just made me feel so unnormal. That makes sense. But that's alright. Well, this person has a giveaway, but whatever. So we are going to be doing one trade, alright? Just one trade to anybody. Alright, we're gonna trade this person over here. Minecraft 84. Alright, let's see what they have on trade. And I picked something off their trade list. So, oh my god, they have the direwolf stuff. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But I don't know if they're like paying attention to anything right now. but whatever. What do I want to trade him? I'm gonna trade him this unicorn horn. See if they'll accept it, cause they're both rare. But whatever. Oh, and they declined my trade. Great. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.